Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the upper dipper in your bike. Let's begin by understanding its crucial role. The upper dipper, or high beam, is designed to dramatically increase your visibility and illuminate the path ahead, especially in very dark conditions. It's not just about seeing, it's also about being seen by others. Knowing how to properly engage and disengage this feature is fundamental for safe night riding. We'll cover the exact steps to operate it effectively, ensuring you maximize its benefits while on the road. Knowing when to engage your high beam is key for both your safety and the safety of others. You should primarily use it on completely unlit roads or trails where there's no oncoming traffic or pedestrians. This allows you to see much further, often illuminating objects up to 50 meters away, giving you ample time to react to obstacles. However, it's absolutely critical to switch back to your low beam as soon as you see another person or vehicle approaching, typically within 25 to 30 meters, to avoid temporarily blinding them. Operating your bike's high beam is generally straightforward, though controls can vary slightly. Most modern bicycle lights feature a distinct button or switch, often conveniently placed near your left thumb for easy access. A single press or toggle typically activates the high beam, providing that powerful, extended light. To return to your standard low beam, you'll usually press or toggle the same control again. It's a good idea to practice this action a few times in a safe, stationary environment to build muscle memory before you head out into the dark. Beyond just knowing how to turn it on, using your high beam safely involves a few important considerations. Always ensure your light is angled correctly. It should illuminate the road ahead without pointing directly into the eyes of others. Regularly check your battery life, as a dimming high beam offers little benefit. For optimal safety, pair your high beam usage with reflective clothing and accessories. This combination significantly enhances your visibility from all angles, making you much more noticeable to drivers and pedestrians, especially during nighttime rides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.